What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We've just hit 20k subscribers, so thank you all so much. Let's get to 30k and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a quick look at Verasity here, and as you can see, obviously the macro time frame here is still looking really good. We've got this 1, 2, 3, 4 of you could potentially say your Elliott waves here, making consecutive higher highs and higher lows. And we are still looking for that 5th wave to the upside, aren't we? Which is probably going to be a real doozy from what we can tell. If it's anything like this pump here, we could easily be looking at coming up towards, you know, that 227 extension at around 75 cents for Verasity, which would obviously be an absolutely incredible pump. And in our opinion, you know, Verasity, a really good quality project. Obviously, the fundamentals are absolutely massive. We do think 2022 is going to be absolutely amazing for Verasity as well. And if we're taking a look at the daily time frame here, you can see for a good while now we have got this full RSI downtrend that we've been seeing, something like this. But we look as though we now finally we have, you know, we did have some bearish divergences here. You can see them quite clearly. So we did roll over, and obviously with the market being bearish, we've had a bit more of a significant rollover than we anticipated. We obviously lost the bull market support here where we got a really decent reaction and fell to the downside. But as we said, we do think overall Verasity, a really quality project here. Currently stuck under a resistance, just like a lot of cryptos are. You can see here 1, 2, 3 for that bump and run pattern. We obviously have a series of ranges here as well. We come down into this range. We've got that overextension now coming back down, retesting the bottom, but we have got this resistance here, which is the one we were talking about, that we do want to be seeing broke. Obviously, if we break this, we're heading up towards the top of the range, most likely at 4.3 cents, which would be great to see. But obviously, as we were saying with the RSI, been stuck in a downtrend for a while here. Big bearish divergence. We obviously get the correction that we were looking for. And now looking like we've actually fully reset now, coming back to fair value. You can see we're just below fair value right now. We came down, didn't we? We became, you know, overextended twice to the downside here. Looking like the bearish divergence is coming in. You can see price action coming down. RSI flatlining here. Histogram, you know, losing momentum to the downside. So pretty clear there's some bullish divergences here. You can see the volume as well for Verasity seems to be increasing all the time. A project with a lot of interest. We do think this project is absolutely amazing, by the way. The fundamentals are ridiculous. And we do think, you know, fairly soon we're probably going to see some really good upside for this, definitely in 2022. I mean, 2 or 3 cents, you know, with Verasity at like $140 million market cap, it's solving a $100 billion ad fraud problem. And there's just so much that Verasity is doing. It's got massive adoption in the pipeline, already getting a lot of use in terms of its esports suite. Don't forget it's also partnered with Tencent Games as well, a massive gaming company. And also, you know, that Bright Cove partnership recently was just, you know, the nail in the coffin for my bullishness, to be honest. The fundamentals are absolutely insane, aren't they? And we do think, you know, this is a ticking time bomb. When the market does start to flip bullish again, which we think it will, we're going to have some absolutely amazing upside, aren't we? Most likely. So Verasity here to reset this RSI, this bearish divergence. So we're gearing up here, aren't we, for potentially a retest of the 618 and then a massive move to the upside, in our opinion. We'll take a quick look at the hourly time frame here. You can see here still stuck under this resistance. 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, 4 touch. You know, we're making a decision here, aren't we, soon. If we lose the bottom of this range here, which we look like we are potentially in danger of losing, or we come up, we break the resistance, we get that move to the upside of that range. So obviously looking like we're breaking the bottom of the range right now, retesting as resistance. Obviously, if that happens, we will be heading back down to the 618 for a double bottom back test like this, where we'll probably get, you know, some bullish divergences and a move up towards the top of the range here. The main level we want to break is this level here, which is around 4 cents now, which is that bump and run pattern. You can see the 1, 2, 3. We come down, we consolidate, we We get the overextension, we come back in, we consolidate, and if we break this level here, we're going to have that run, aren't we? Probably back up towards the all-time high at 9 cents. So we'll keep things short and sweet. As we always say, short-term price predictions, if we're rolling here, 618 all day long will be a decent support, 2.6 cents. Overextension at 2.4 cents. Heading to the upside, want to break this level here at 3 cents, and then we'll be heading up towards that 4 cent resistance. If we break that, obviously, we will be running up back towards the all-time high in our opinion, over the course of the next, month or so, back towards that 10 cent level. And then obviously beyond that, as we said, 50 cents to $1 in our opinion for Verasity, very, very achievable. We've seen just how much gaming crypto is blowing up. We do think Verasity is part of that gaming crypto bubble of stuff. $140 million market cap is so low for Verasity, isn't it, when you think about all the fundamentals they're offering. And when people start to realize this, we do think it could potentially have, a really parabolic move. So I'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto Supporter is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.